Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Unstaked token, or Unstaked AI, they also go by. Now this token is live for pre-sale on their webpage. Right now I believe they're in stage 8. Stage 8 of the pre-sale, they've sold 62.9%. Presale is live. There's a full how to buy section on their webpage. They have a Telegram, a white paper, looks like an Instagram as well. All sorts of links on here. Real easy to click buy. It'll take you over to the presale page. We're going to go over the information on this token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. So you can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, unstaked.com is their webpage. That's where you could find the token. It says, buy the Unstaked token, ticker symbol UNSD, limited time opportunity. The presale is now live. So if you go to the webpage, there's a buy tokens button. So if you wanted to get the presale, you click on that. It'll take you over to a different page, presale.unstaked.com. And you can buy the presale with either ETH, BNB, USDT, or others. So they have other currencies as well, but basically you can connect your wallet to the page. So you could use a Trust wallet, MetaMask wallet, Coinbase wallet. Any one of those wallets would work. You could download one of those wallets from the Google Play Store, the Apple App Store, or you can get a Chrome extension on your PC. If I do remember, I will leave a link to the presale pinned to the top of the comment section, and I'll put it at the top of the description box so you guys can easily find this presale here. But basically, yeah, you could just go through that link. I'll leave a link down there. You can go through the link. You connect your wallet, punch in how much ETH you want to spend, or BNB, whatever currency you decide. And it'll tell you how many UNSD tokens you get for that amount. You click purchase. When the pre-sale is over, you claim your tokens. If you get stuck, there is a step-by-step how to buy on the webpage. And yeah, so you choose your payment method, review and confirm purchase. It's very straightforward. And yeah, so what is this project all about, though? They have a 12-page white paper that goes through everything you need to know. We're not going to go through all of it with just the main points, but it says Unstaked is pioneering the next transformation evolution in blockchain ecosystems by merging the unparalleled potential of generative AI with the decentralized power of tokenomics in a rapidly shifting digital world where attention, engagement, and trust have become the true currencies of influence and success. Unstaked empowers users to deploy intelligent AI agents capable of autonomously managing, promoting, and organically expanding communities across major global social networks such as X and Telegram. We are not simply launching another token into the endless sea of digital assets. We are introducing a living, breathing digital economy, an economy where tokens are animated with intelligence, interaction, adaptability, and self-growth capabilities. Unstaked serves as the catalyst for a fundamental redefinition of digital ownership and influence, granting users unprecedented control over dynamic, evolving AI-powered assets that grow, learn, and act independently. Through Unsd, every participant transitions from being a passive holder to an active creator, stakeholder, and innovator within a thriving, self-sustaining AI ecosystem. The future of decentralized influence is here, and it is intelligent. At Unstaked, we envision a decentralized future where every individual, regardless of resources and background, has the power to extend their digital presence beyond the traditional limitations of manual engagement. Using intelligent, self-operated agents, users can amplify their ambitions and establish vibrant communities around the clock, unhindered by the constraints of time zones, resources, or human limitations. In this reimagined future, AI is not a passive background tool used merely for automation. Instead, AI becomes an active participant, an invaluable ally in shaping narratives, nurturing communities, fostering loyalty, and driving real-world impact. Through Unstaked, users retain direct control over their AI agents, establishing a truly decentralized ecosystems where humans' creativity is not just supported but multiplied and elevated through autonomous, intelligent technology. Our mission is bold yet essential: to decentralized influence and engagement, returning the power to individuals rather than the corporations or centralized platforms. We are building a new kind of digital society, one where AI works for and with the people, where transparency reigns, and where collective intelligence shapes a better, freer, and more vibrant world. So there's problems that they're trying to solve, but their solutions here are autonomous artificial intelligence agents, verifiable ownership, on-chain proof of activity, and what they offer is 24/7 community engagement, customizable behavior, no human error, massive cost efficiency, scalability and instant growth, business flexibility, transparent proof of intelligence. Why Unstaked is different? Lowest market price. It says $10 to $20 per month. Decentralized ecosystem, evolving AI intelligence. And there's labor cost savings, scalability and consistency, 24/7 coverage without overtime. And they also have advanced AI social agents, true decentralized governance. So as a token holder, you can be involved in governance, community-first launch philosophy, performance-based reward systems, effortless inclusive deployment, and proof of intelligent framework. So they have the utilities for the token is agent deployment and upgrades, governance participation, marketplace access, and there's also burning and buyback programs. There is a total supply of 6 billion tokens. They have the launch price, pre-sale price. So obviously if you get in the pre-sale, you get a discount. 60% of the tokens go to pre-sale, 25% liquidity pool, 5% team, and 10% goes to post-pre-sale marketing. And yeah, go check it out. I'll leave some links down below to go right directly to the pre-sale. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.